Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people watching this video right now are going to stay exactly where they are. Same job, same income, and same frustrations if we see 1 year from today. Here's the truth no one is telling you. 2026 is not rewarding effort, it is rewarding the right skills. And the skill number 6 that I want to talk about is communication and storytelling. And listen, I have saved this one for near the end on purpose because I want you to feel the weight of it. Every single other skills on this list become more powerful when combined with this one. You could be the best data analyst, the sharpest critical thinker, the most brilliant investor in the room. But if you cannot communicate it clearly, persuasively, and memorably, it doesn't matter. Brené Brown, research professor and best-selling author, says, "The most impactful leader I have studied share one thing. They are all storytellers." Steve Jobs didn't just build Apple products. He told stories about them. He made you feel like buying a computer was an act of rebellion, creativity, and identity. That wasn't accidental. He obsessively worked on his presentation and communication skills his entire career. Nancy Duarte, one of the world's leading experts on presentation, says, "The world will be a better place when more people are skilled at communication." So, what communication and storytelling covers? First one is structuring your message, means beginning, conflict resolution. Every great story and presentation uses this. Second one, writing with clarity, short sentences, active voice, no jargon. Third one is public speaking, controlling nerves, using pauses, owning a room. Fourth one is email and written communication. You have to be clear and compelling in writing. Fifth one, storytelling in business, means using narrative to make data memorable. And last, body language and vocal delivery. So the important question right now is, how will you learn it? For this, I want to recommend you some book. First one is Talk Like TED. It breaks down the science of world's greatest presentation. Second book that I want to recommend is Made to Stick by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. It tells you why some ideas survive and others die. Another book that you can read is On Writing Well, the definitive guide to writing clear, honest human prose. Joining a Toastmaster club near you, it's free or very cheap, and it is the single fastest accelerator for public speaking improvement I have ever seen. You can also practice by writing it daily, like a LinkedIn post, journal entry, or a short summary of something you learned. Writing is thinking made visible. You can also watch TED Talk. Not only watching, but study them. Watch with the sound of first, then watch it again and take notes on structure, and then watch a third time and feel how it lands emotionally. Ideas that can't be communicated don't exist in the world. They die in your head. Give your ideas a voice. Give your work a story. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe because I make content exactly like this every week. Thank you.